Hi there and welcome. In this video, I want to demonstrate a miniature database in Excel, which is maybe easier for everybody to understand. So what we've got here, we've got a bank statement input. And when we input data in this table, it automatically updates the balance sheet, and the balance sheet will always balance. So let's take these entries out here, delete the rows, refresh all. This automatically updates the balance sheet update, so it's only updates to those entries. So if the bank balance is 2536, this will be 2536. Equity and liabilities balance the assets. So let's go and put some more entries in there. Just copy the template I've got, control copy. There's special values. Refresh, watch the database, the balance sheet will update automatically. So it's updated automatically. So let's go and put more entries in. Let's go and change the amount just to demonstrate. Let's change this amount to 20 rand. It's something ridiculous to really see the change. Right, we've changed. Data refresh all. Balance sheet automatically changes. There it's changed. If we highlight the bank balance, should be 6021 and 6021. Let's go and put 1,000,000 here. Data refresh all. Always balances the balance sheet. I hope everybody's getting an idea of what I'm getting at. And this database can accommodate millions of lines of bank statement entries, because there's different ways of optimizing your database. Instead of having this table here, you could have an external sheet and then connect it as a connection only connection. So, and then also, that's why there's this database in Excel can work as a full accounting or bookkeeping package, because we all know in accounting and bookkeeping you've got 5 types of input documents. You've got the bank statement, you'll have petty cash, you'll have bill, you'll have invoice, and you'll have journal. So we don't want to go into it now, but what you do, you would append all of them to each other. You know, although you've got separate entries in each input document, and you'd have exactly the same as this. And there's not only a balance sheet you can generate. You can generate any report you want, any profit and loss, any cash flow, any sales reports, anything you want. You can just imagine. So now if you've got multiple companies, no problem. You won't understand what I'm saying now, but you just add extra columns for the company, and it accommodates many companies, multiple companies, many bank accounts in each company. Unlimited. I read on the internet often that they say Excel can't accommodate, it becomes slow when has lots of data and things like that. I disagree totally. If it's set up properly, using a database model and Excel Power Query, this is what it can do. So it's absolutely amazing what it can do. I mean, it doesn't matter what date it is. This dates to 2018. So you see 2018 isn't here. Let's go and refresh it again. Refresh all. It's refreshed. Okay, that's 2000. This will be 2019, so it jumps to 2019. It corrects itself for that, because that's year end. If it's February, like I've set up here, is 19. So let's go and let's change these two dates to 18 as well. 18. Let's make this one 18. That's a 9. I should only have year ends for 24 and 19 now, because these will change to 19. So let's go and refresh it all. Refresh all. These refreshed everything, only 19 and 24. So you can imagine you've got thousands of bank statement entries that you need to allocate. You know, thousands and thousands. It'll update immediately from your input sheet, and this bank statement that you importing to or inputting can be an external file as well. So if you've got bank statements that are millions of lines long, you just append them each in an external CSV file and connect to this main file. But it's all a bit intimidating. That's why I made this miniature database, to try and make it easier to understand. So I also tend to like playing because it just amazes me every time I look at this. So let's go and take 3 columns out and only leave a 25. Delete table rows, refresh. What's the balance sheet update to only 1 entry? Data, refresh all. There it is. It still balances equity and liability. So your general ledger is always balancing. And I don't want to demonstrate in this video now because it's become a separate item. But every single transaction in your general ledger balances. The overall general ledger balances. So this type of input is 100% legitimate, and it's far quicker than any accounting system. I mean, you could allocate thousands of entries, as I said just now, at once. So let's go and just put these entries we had before. Let's just go and put these again. Control copy. So now you're allocating your bank statement. Pay special values. Refresh all. Here's your balance sheet. Going to update again. Always balances per period, per year. So I hope this makes understanding a database in Excel a little bit easier. So if you like this video, please click the like button below. Click subscribe to receive future videos I upload. Enter any comments in the comment section below, and feel free to share this video with anyone that you feel might be able to make use of it. Thank you for watching.